Today I've got something special for you. A quick dive into some easy German words that literally everyone can pronounce. Ready? Let's roll. Our first word is house, which means house in English. And guess what? It's pronounced exactly the same way. House and house. Next up, we have Wasser, which means water. Imagine meeting a friendly Wasser. Hello, I'm a Wasser and I'm bringing you a Wasser. Wasser. Now let's roll with Auto, which means car in English. Imagine if a car rides over your toe and you say Auto, Auto. Moving on, we have Geld, which means money. And it's pronounced like Geld, Geld, Geld. Time to talk about Essen, meaning food. And pronunciation tip here, say Essen, Essen. Our next word is Blume, which translates to flower. And it is as if you are saying bloom, but with an E at the end. Blume, Blume. Up next is Kind, meaning child. It's like a kin, but with a D at the end. This is my kind, the kind. Now here is the Tisch, which means table. Say it like the tissue, but without the U. Tisch, Tisch. This is my Coffe, coffee in English. Yeah, I want a Kaffee, please. Ein Kaffee, bitte. Kaffee. Last but not least, we have Tee, which means tea. Say it like Tee, tea. And that's it, 10 easy German words. Practice these and you'll be well on your way to mastering the basics of German. Were you able to pronounce them all? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course hit that subscribe button for more fantastic language tips. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends to see if they can pronounce these words too. Keep exploring, keep learning and keep chasing your dreams. Bye for now. Tell me in the comments. Keep exploring.
So, to flashcards, stand in her. Then bye bye.